Alright guys, welcome back. It is a Friday after work. I'm gonna hook the truck up to the trailer and go get some of these round bales, bring them back to the house, and try to put them in the shed before the rain comes again. So, go down here and get the trailer and be right back. I'm leaving Dad's. Just got the one trailer that was down here at his house. I just chat a little bit, I guess. If you remember from the last video, or even the video before, there was quite a few round bales that Jamie baled up while we were square baling as well. Number one, to produce some round bales, so we'd have some on hand for that. But secondly, to keep us from baling so many square bales. I've got a delivery on Sunday, which is actually my wife and I's anniversary. Got a delivery on Sunday, delivering 70 bales to a lady in Chesterfield. I'm gonna put them in the top of the barn in the loft, where she keeps her horse there. So, gonna do that. Currently, I am driving back up to the farm. Gonna try to find some more straps. I know I've got two inside the tractor. I'm gonna get those and hopefully I can join them together. I'm hoping I only have to put one strap on this the way I'm gonna do it, but I am thinking about doing 3 straps just to be safe. So with that being said, I am going to go over here to the tractor and see if I can't find 2 of my straps. And then I'm hoping I have some more in the toolbox of my other truck. And I've yet to fix the U-joint on that truck still. It's been a week now. But that's okay. We'll fix that and we'll get going before long. But, oh yeah, we got 2 straps right here. So I can use them, join them together, make something work. So we'll do that, and I'm gonna throw these in the bed of the truck real quick. Hopefully I've got some more up here somewhere. I know I've got some sort of strap somewhere. I just gotta find them. That's gonna be the biggest thing. So, all right, and then I'm gonna go up here to the house, get these, and grab the wife, and be headed to Jamie's. So I'll hop back on then. Made it back to the house just a second ago, and we've got a heck of a load. I know it only looks like 7. There's actually 10. Made a little bit of a boo-boo. Kind of crushed the fender on my trailer. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun task. Jamie pushed it back in. It was sitting on the tire, so that's gonna be a fun task. Let's see what this one. Yeah, see, this one's kind of poking out. So yeah, but we'll be okay. So now I'm gonna get these things unstrapped, and I'll try to set my phone up to where I can do a time lapse maybe of unloading these things. I am gonna take one and give it to the cows though. But yeah, so gonna have to move this guy out of the way, and then gonna put these bales right in here. So I'll see what I can do about setting my phone up and stuff like that. I know it's a little dark. That's a little bit better. But if you can see, all of those bales are in here. Got the tractor back in. Jamie just called and said we're actually going to fix the trailer tonight because Dad's going to have to use it tomorrow. I got 25 more round bales, at least 25 more probably, to get. So going to hop in the truck now and take the trailer back to him. We'll see what we can do.
down, and it'll probably be perfect. Look at that.
Just about right. Need something to keep it from kicking almost, but ain't a whole lot we can do with it.
Alright. Put off. It's trying to fight me.
So we got the fender pushed back upwards, pushed back out that way. Now we're just trying to get the metal plate back straight, but that's gonna be a task, so go from there. A little bit of progress. Think it's any better, Jamie?
Huh?
You think it's any better?
Not as bad as it was.
That's right.
I think it looks perfect compared to what we started.
Well, yeah, getting better.
Hope my fucking glasses won't fall out.
You got a gap.
All right,
here,
so
buddy.
we're all finished up. Got all the welds in. Jamie did a fantastic job.
You just painted
Got it right.
How hard was it?
Yeah, he done threw paint on it and everything.
I was gonna say I smell
So
paint.
we're in better shape now than what we were. And tomorrow we're gonna get some more bales. Going over to my grandfather's, gonna load those up. Should be between 25 and 35. Hopefully that'll be good. And gonna load the bales a little differently tomorrow than on top of the fender. So hopefully prevent this. See you on the next one.